Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. EPA 25 mpg highway/20 mpg city. Carfax 1 owner, Land Rover certified, very nice, great miles 13,854. HSE luxury trim, Yulong white metallic exterior and ebony with cirrus piping interior. Navigation, moonroof, 4-wheel drive, premium sound system, aluminum wheels, turbocharged. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,000 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Purchase with confidence, 5-year/100,000 mile limited warranty, complete 165-point inspection, 24/7 roadside assistance. Experts report. KBB.com's review says the Land Rover 2018 Discovery Sport uniquely blends a handsome design, an opulent interior and luxurious appointments with the authentic rugged off-road capability the British brand is known for. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.